This 2026 Forest River Ranch 394RKL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, TV, oven, awning, LP detector, leveling jacks, air conditioning, TV antenna, water heater, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-bath, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Forest River Ranch 394RKL is 15,114 pounds. This 2026 Forest River Ranch 394RKL. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.